Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here in this video we'll see a very interesting and valuable thing, that is, for example, I have got these two columns here, and here in this first column I just want to have this first name, that is John, Emily, Michael, Sophia, instead of this last names. And here in the second column, just the opposite, that is, I want to delete the first name and just get the last name. So how to do that in Excel? And here I'll be using find and replace formula. It's very easy, and I'll be using a trick called wildcard. So let me go for find and replace, and for that you have to press Ctrl H. Once you press Ctrl H, you'll be mostly landing in this page, not this one. So these are the advanced features or option in our find and replace tab. I'm not going to go deep into this, so I'll simply click this, and here what I'll do is I'll use some wildcard. That is, I'll use this asterisk, Shift 8, and here in the first column, as you can see, if I select this first column, here you can see asterisk. I want to retain the first name. Oh sorry, it is FIRST. Okay, I want to retain this first name, so I have to delete this. So what I'll do is I simply have to click a space, I have to press space and then asterisk, then replace all. So you can see all done. You made 18 replacements. Let me see what happened. Yeah, so as you can see, I put a space here and then asterisk, and then that asterisk means the second name, and after space, whatever word is there, it is taking that as the field to get it replaced, or whatever words are there after a space, and then it is replacing with nothing. And so I got my first name. So here what I'll do is I'll do the opposite, exactly opposite. So what I'll do is I'll simply select, yeah, so here I have the first name. You can see I have the first name. These are the same things that I have put it in the second column as well, to just show you as a reference. So the John Smith has become John, Emily, Johnson, Emily, all those things have happened. So here once again I simply put a space and then an asterisk. Space means anything after the space, and asterisk means any word after the space will be replaced with nothing. This is the concept, basic concept. So for this second column, that is delete first name, or I want to get or retain the second name only. So what I'll do is I'll simply again select all these names, and here what I'll do is I'll do simply the opposite. That is, I will I'll press asterisk and then space, and then let me see, replace all. What happened? Something wrong. Okay. Oh, I got it now, because the space is here. These are some small things, so now it will work. I'll simply select all these things, then asterisk, then space, then replace all. You can see all 19 replacements have been done. So I got all the last name now. Now as you can see, John, here the first name, and the last name here is Smith. The John has been deleted. So this is how you can use, if you have some words, you can simply just remember that asterisk is the thing that you want to retain, or you want to have it or get it, and space is the thing that you want to get it deleted. So in the second case I put asterisk and then space, and then replace with nothing. So basically this is the concept. So friends, I hope you learned a very interesting thing today, and a very useful thing as well. If you work with a lot of data in Excel, you can definitely use this technique to get or purify or clean your data by using the simple concept of asterisk. It could be first and last name, it could be some numbers as well, or it could be anything where you can use this very concept to clean your data, or to have the desired data that you want. So friends, If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.